look at the blocks on the page. Okay? Those blocks are going to represent the pennies. All right? So pretend like those are all the pennies that are on the floor. Okay? What are we asked to find?
Pennies.
But what are we asked to do with those pennies? Put them in groups of 10, right? Okay. There were 100 blocks or pennies on this paper. Okay? Each block is 1 penny. If we wanted to show a group of 10 pennies to help us solve this problem, how can we show groups of 10 pennies? How can we show that? Reason? Circle the group of 10. Very good idea. Okay, so I'm going to have you guys circle groups of 10 and then count the groups of 10 to solve the problem. So go ahead on your own, count 10. I don't care if you go down or sideways or how you do it, and then circle it and see how many circles we could make. Okay?
I think we can make 10 circles.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if you're right. Go ahead and do it. Okay, I don't know about you guys. I saw some of you guys counted down like Mrs. Ackerman did. And you can see that that's 10. And then I kept doing counting 10, 10, and 10. Well, then I'm starting to see a pattern here. I just know that one whole thing going down is 10. And I can keep doing it, right? But some of you went sideways, which was fine, because this is also 10 going this way. Right? So you could have done that going all the way down. Okay? Mine, since I already started this way, I'm going to go ahead and keep going. I don't even have to count to 10 anymore because I know that each group has 10. Okay? Now, how many tens or how many circles did we have, everyone?
10.
10. Okay, very good. So, to answer his question, if he picks up, how many groups of 10 pennies would he pick up? He'd have 10 groups of pennies, right? Okay, flip your paper over, please. Flip your paper over real quick. Okay. Guys, 10 tens is the same as 1 100. Okay? So look at your picture right here. There are 10 tens, right? When you put those 10 tens together, you squish them together, it looks like this big thing right here, which is a 100. Okay? 10 tens is 1 100. Okay? So what we are going to do today, we're going to write how many tens, circle the group of tens, and then write how many hundreds that is. Okay? And write the whole number. So right now, they have already circled them for us, the number 1. So they have circled 1, 2, they have circled 20 tens. But this is 1 10 and then this is 20 tens. Okay, so they wrote that right here. Okay? How many hundreds would that be? That would be 2 hundreds. Right? Okay? And if you have 2 100s, how many hundreds is that?
200.
200. So let's write the number 200 right here. Okay, no, it's not going to get out on all of them. You might be right there. Okay, let's do number 2 now together. So the first thing we need to do, circle the groups of 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle it. Okay, do your pictures look like my picture? Okay, how many tens are there?
3.
Okay, but no, not 3 tens. How many? 30. There are 30 tens. Right, Emma? Okay, 30 tens. How many hundreds does that make? 3 hundreds, which is then what? How many hundreds? 300. Okay. How about you guys are going to do number 3 and 4 with a partner. Then you'll do 5, 6, 7, and 8 by yourself. And we will do this page together. Okay? Okay, boys and girls, you have done a wonderful job so far. Okay? These last two, number 9 and number 10, we will do together. And it will help you on the one that's on your homework on the bottom here. Okay? Because what we do on those is going to be kind of what you're going to do on that bottom one. All right? Okay, on your homework. All right, this says, and it says write or draw to explain. Mrs. Martin has 20 boxes of paper clips. There are 10 paper clips in each box. How many paper clips does she have? Okay, so this is kind of like drawing those pictures that we had. All right, if we have 10, we have to have 20 tens. Okay, because there's 20 boxes of 10 paper clips. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's circle it. Okay? Do 10 and circle it. Okay, now circle it. If you did 10, circle them. Okay. So that's only 10 tens though, right? It's only 10 tens. We needed 20 tens. So we need to do 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it'll be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then circle it.
Is it okay if we put it?
You only have 18. You have to have 20. You only have 18. You said 18. You have to have 20. So she has 20 boxes. So make 2 more. Now circle it. Okay. So how many paper clips would that be, boys and girls? 20? She has 20 boxes. But in each box, yeah, this is 100, and then this would be, so how many paper clips does she have? 200 paper clips. She does have a lot of paper clips. Okay. So that's how you do it, boys and girls. Okay? If it tells you, this is what it's like on your homework too. It tells you, instead of paper clips on your box and stuff, it has pots. It says she has 30 pots. So you're going to make 30 tins. Okay? And you're going to see how much that is at the end. All right, here's a hot problem. This is not going to be the same. Wally has 400 cards. How many stacks of 10 cards can he make? Draw a quick picture to show our work. Well, we can just count by tens and see. Okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. That's only 100, right? We need 400. So let's do another 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200.
200?
Well, if we are counting by because we have 100 here, and then there's another one, so it'd be 200, right? We can count like it by tens, by 200. So this would be 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. We're still not done though, right? So we have to go to 400. 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. How many stacks of tens was that?
4.
Well, actually, it's not just 4, it's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
40.
40 stacks of 10 is 400. All right.